Debbie's Mindless Happy Place, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing 2 wood baskets and we're going to be filling them with succulents that I got from the Dollar Tree. The baskets I got from Target and they were $3 a piece. And then I put the succulents in, which was $1 a piece, and I used about 12 per basket, so that's $12. I think they turned out really cute, and the good thing about them is they are fake, so I can't kill them. I'm really bad about keeping flowers alive and keeping plants alive. So I like the greenery around the house, but I never can remember to water any kind of plants or flowers. So these won't die and they look really great sitting around in the living room. So I'm really excited to show them to you and to get started. So if you enjoy the content of this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Let's get to the video.